I'm Dr. Vidhyalaya. I'm a board certified plastic surgeon. I attended the hair transplant workshop organized by the Elegance team in Surat. After coming here, I realized this is not just an event, and it steps the milestone for any plastic surgeon who wants to excel in their hair transplant surgeries. Once you come here, you realize it's not just a hair transplant which you learn. It's like a buffet of cosmetic practice, I can say. You can see various procedures, what we do in a regular practice, how the patients come, follow up and everything. The best part of this event is, apart from the hair transplant and all these cosmetic services, we as a doctors are not aware of financial planning and GST services, how to maintain and manage our softwares. So all these things were explained, which were not a part of workshop, but they took that extra effort to make us understand all of these things. Thank you, Dr. Ashutosh Shah, sir, for your very nice hospitality and for allowing us to ask so many questions to you. You are such a great mentor, and thanks a lot for the Elegance team. Thank you so much.